Welcome back. My name is Maxim from Momoyoga, and today we're going to have a look at pricing options, of which Momoyoga offers two: class passes and memberships. Let's start by heading over to our homepage and by clicking on the pricing tab in the left menu bar. Here we see that we can add a class pass and a membership. And the difference between the two is that with a class pass, you're offering entry to your yoga classes over a longer period of time for whenever the yogi wants to come visit you, whilst a membership offers entry for a monthly on a monthly basis. Let's start by adding a class pass. We can give it a name, for example, 10 class pass or a free tryout class, and then a description and a fitting price for the class pass. And if this applies to you, based on the country and region where you reside in, you can also fill in a tax percentage and then a fitting number of credits for your class pass. Then we come to the point of the validity period. I would say that any sort of normal validity set period for a class pass is anywhere from 3 to 6 or 12 months. And if for some reason you want the class pass to be valid until a certain amount of time, or a specific start and end date, we can also set an expiry date. So for example, if within the new year you're not planning on teaching for example, first 3 months or something, it might be nice for you to set up an end to all of the class passes which you offer. And then for example, if it's close to the end of the year, to only offer smaller class passes. And next up, if we scroll down, we have a few options and checkboxes which we can check. The first one I'd highly recommend to keep checked. This allows your yogis to buy class passes online through your page. If you deselect this, they won't be able to. They will be able to pay you still in person, but that's why I would keep this one checked. The second one allows your class pass, this specifically one, to be visible on your pricing page. You can deselect this one if you want to, for example, offer something special, and you will be able to then send this pricing option and class pass to your yogis through, for example, an email or a personal message, so that this won't be available for everyone. This option is also very nice. It reminds your yogis automatically when their class pass is about to expire, so they can either use their credits or buy a new one. And this option is handy, which allows yogis to buy class passes only once, for example, if you offer a free class pass for a trial lesson. And the last one, also quite handy, it notifies you if a yogi's class pass expires. And that's all for class passes. Let's go back and have a look at memberships. Memberships are quite similar. And there's just 3 main differences. With memberships, you are able to give your yogis access to your classes or not. And you can also, for example, within this, set a maximum amount of classes per month, or week, or total period. Then furthermore, you're also able to give your yogis access to your video library. But you can also filter on, for example, a specific playlist. As of this moment, this is also the only option to give your yogis access to your video classes. And of course, you can also offer memberships for free so that your yogis can visit specific playlists for free if you want to. And then the last one, and very nice, this allows your membership to be a recurring one. So this will incentivize your yogis to come back each month, because payments keep coming, because when they sign up to this membership, they don't need to renew it each month, and it also makes it less of a hassle for them. They can choose to collect payments automatically through a debit or credit card, or you can of course have them pay in person. And then a few notification settings. And that's basically everything for pricing options, class passes, and memberships. I'd recommend when you start out with your studio to offer at least 3 options, a free introductory class, a 10 class pass, and a membership where yogis are able to visit on a monthly basis more often. And this allows, well, I would say, for a more natural progression within their journey and to incentivize them to commit to your studio. And that's everything there is to class passes, pricing options, and memberships. And that was it for this tutorial. We hope you found it useful. Let us know what you think. And if you want to know more about Momoyo, or if you have any other question, you can visit our help center. And if you enjoyed this video, we have many more videos like this covering a lot of different topics.